What up, YouTube? You already up $2? Nice, Martin. Welcome. So a little change up there from some verbiage with China tariffs. They're not going to, I guess, retaliate. And we'll see how that rolls. We'll see how that rolls. What's up, Dan? How you doing, buddy? Good morning. Morning. Oh, let's go. Let's refresh my spot gamma data to kind of figure out what's going on here and kind of get the ball rolling. There we go. I miss W's eloquence. We haven't had a president that could put a current sentence together in 8 years. Yeah. Depends what you define as coherent. But yeah, I would say 50 years. I have a very hard place in my heart for George Bush. We have a gap in the S&P? Yes, sir, we do. We do have a gap in the S&P down to 5314. And that, in my opinion, will be filled within the next 7 to 10 days at the most. And that's being generous. Generoso. So, all right, in terms of data, what do we have going on today? Today is Wednesday, April 23rd. We have building permits, which is already passed. S&P Global Manufacturing at 9:45, which is in about 10 minutes. We have new home sales at the top of the hour, 10 o'clock. Crude oil inventory for our CL players at 10:30. If CL can actually hold and close 63, we're long into 68. 5-year bond auction at 1 p.m. And, of course, tweets. Tweets. 53. NVIDIA's rolling. They see me rolling. I'm buying puts. So they rally into the stratosphere. 54.55. I don't want to pay more at the pump. Yeah, me both, man. Gas is almost under $2 a gallon where I live. It was great. I filled up my tank for under $80. My big old truck. So I'm loving the gas prices. Gotta love it. How's the Jaberni anthem? $1.63 a liter? What is it? 1.8 liters a gallon? Something like that? Yeah, I paid $2.18 a gallon. $2.18 a gallon 3 days ago. It was great. They treat us Alaskans good. A little bit of red. In a typical expected fashion, Apex now has a 90% off sale. I wouldn't touch Apex if it was free. Almost said Canadians, yeah. $5 a gallon in California. Yep, that's why everybody's moving to my neck of the woods. All right, large red sweeping. Here's the too much, too fast move. Not to sound too cliche, but as expected. What's up, Invest in Muscle? We have been doing very well. Alaska, baby. Large top wick on the 15-minute here. ES 54.43. And, of course, we have a couple of wedges, trend lines, all that kind of stuff. Too much, too fast, higher, and then top wick back down to undo a little bit of this liquidity here. The 4,300 liquidity on Bookmap is gone. I'll be completely honest with you. I haven't looked at it since yesterday afternoon, but let me go take a look. Yep, it is gone. Poof. There's still a whole bunch of liquidity lower, but that 4,300 is gone, of course, right there. Hey, what's just happened? Huge green candle. What the crap just happened? What was that? Fed Waller policy just hit. Does not comment on outlook for monetary policy, the economy, and welcoming remarks. I don't see anything bullish about that. So what just happened? Why did we just pop 60 points in one candle? Anyone? Bueller? Bueller? There's got to be that's definitely a news candle. What do we got? That is definitely a news candle. What do we have? White House considering slashing China tariffs. We back, baby. Are y'all typing in the newsfeed channel? Y'all are typing in the newsfeed channel. Yeah, he ain't caving. This was his plan all along. Cause mayhem. He's not stupid. You may hate him, but he's not stupid. Huge top wick right here, coming off. 54.57. Convenient time to break through that resistance? Yeah, right there. Yeah. Top wick back down, 54.62 from 96, almost 5,500. Beautiful. Went up from 20% to 500%. I couldn't take profits fast enough. Nice side gig. So right off of R3, conveniently, that was my significant level to the upside right here. Tapped it, gave it a little tap-tapperoo, and then top wick back over. He is stupid, but oh, come on. Jeez Louise. 54.57. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Let's see where the liquidity shakes out, of course. This market is very reactive right now. Very news reactive. It's difficult to track the price action day to day. All right, let's wrap it up. All due respect, I don't care what your political opinions are. Like, I want facts. Like, I'm over it. I'm over it. Critical thinking. Critical thinking. 54.65, 5,500. Facts, baby. Let's stick to the facts. $5,500. So that's the main liquidity here, upside 30 points, which we just almost got to and then wicked it. They got within 5 points of it. I can promise you one thing that's completely true. Not a single person in this server or anywhere else has any idea what's going to happen or what's really happening behind the scenes, including myself. That I can promise you. That I can promise you. Option Blader said it's easy to lose 30 pounds, but has he tasted lemon Oreos? Ooh, I have not tasted lemon. Regular, plain old Oreos is like top 5 cookie of all time. It's fantastic. Tacos are fantastic, yeah. It is fantastic. Alrighty. So it is. We got 3 minutes till data, which obviously probably is not even that much of an impact after that news right there. So now we have to kind of navigate the effects of what to look for this week, and of course today. Very, very bullish action the last 15 hours of 20 hours. So we have to navigate these waters. Be honest, who signed up for a 90% off Apex? One of y'all jabronis did it. Who did it? TLT went up over 2.5? Yeah. We are all jabronis. Guilty? Oh, man. I thought about it. I'll be honest with you. I thought about it. Open up another 20 accounts. But, man, they denied me once. I'm not going to do it again. I'm not going to do it again. There's a reason I don't buy ice cream and other sweets at the store because I'll devour them. Yep. I could easily eat half a gallon of ice cream in one sitting. Easily. And be fine. Nutter Butters? Not a big fan of Nutter Butters. Nice, Lib. Well done, buddy. Slow grind to 5,500. Certainly possible. That is the triple top area here. So this is a very, very important time for the market, especially if you're looking to go long. Especially. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist right here to know what's coming. Right here. There's about a 30 to 50 point structure right here that we have to absorb to go higher. Suddenly I don't like you. Why? Oh, because of Nutter Butters? I'll eat them. I like them, but it's definitely not something I would pick it today. All right, still going up here. Green candles. Let's take a look around the reaction. Light work, no reaction. All green. Very green. Mega caps are up 5, 6, 7%, 4%. Everything is green except for XLP. The consumer staples, which is interesting. I wonder what's Home Depot. What's causing XLP to be so red with Amazon being so green? RTY is also blasting, so small caps are following along. Dow, very bullish market here. Gold down 3,300, getting wrecked with a capital R. They're down from 35, 200 points since yesterday. I know one of y'all took a gold short. Oil is toying with our level. So here's oil's level, their version of the ES level here that we're dealing with. So this is kind of what you want to look for to go long. Climbs above top wicks and holds this level here. And once they hold that on the daily chart, which they haven't been able to yet, they're toying with it. And it's not because they know what I'm talking about, because the market is not that, it's not paranormal. It's because I'm pretty good at labeling participation areas. And once they hold this, you see this, barely got above it, smashed. Barely got above it, smashed. Barely got above it, smashed again. And now they're barely holding it. So if they do decide to hold this, especially on the daily, especially on the weekly, long into 68, and then of course we'll see what happens here at the POC to see if we're going to continue to hold at 72. However, you also have to be prepared for any kind of swing trade, especially oil, of the geopolitical risk, the tweet risk, all that other kind of stuff that's going on right now. Very difficult to hold swing trades for any longer than a couple of days. What level of VIX should we look at breaking to have confidence to the upside? I mean, it's already going down. 30 was the first trigger. After that, 20. Under 20 would be great. Of course, by the time we hit 20, we should already be at 5,600, 5,700. Things are moving very quickly. Any thoughts on tilt? Let me take a look. Let's see. You see that Warren Buffett holds 5% of the entire United States treasuries? What does that tell you? Anytime anyone Internet, check. Can y'all hear me? Am I back? Am I back? I thought I was going to have to restart again.
All right, well, we are climbing back up to the gap. Or not the gap, I'm sorry, the wick. Can't believe Buffett's 94 years old. Yeah, tell me about it. That dude is killing it. Uh-oh. Did my live stream quit on me? Are we good? All right, we're back. Any weird options flow? Yeah, I'm looking right now. What I'm seeing here is a lot of call buying, put selling. So the bullish flows continue, except on the 0 DTE scale. On the 0 DTE scale, they are selling both sides of the tape. They're selling calls, they're selling puts. On the longer term, they are doing the opposite. You never left. Sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Everything is just absolutely bright green. Absolutely bright green. However, I'm going to go take a look here to see why XLP is red. I'm just curious why XLP is red. Individual investor. Yeah, I'm not working for Wall Street. Still going green. XLP, Costco, Walmart, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, Philips, Colgate, Mondelez, Pepsi, Kroger. I could have swore that Amazon was in this one, in the consumer staples, wasn't it? I'm almost positive that Amazon was in there. But I'm staying corrected. Yeah, Kroger's down. I guess Costco's down too. Yep, Costco's getting wrecked. That's why. There you go. 54.88 on ES, still holding this upper range. We're going to attack 5,500 appears. It's also the pull on Bookmap, as well as, of course, the psychological of 0-0. Is it me or is his voice different? Very different experience. Is my voice different? How long has it been since you've been back, Brandon? This is actually AI. What if I died, Mrs. OM, use AI to continue on the business? Plot twist. So it's like some M. Night Shyamalan stuff. 54.88 still going here. Your voice does actually sound a little bit feminine. A little bit less feminine. Hey. It's because of all the TRT I'm taking, baby. $54.91, retesting 95, then 5,500. Johnny 5. Oh, man. It just sounds like you sucked helium out of a balloon. Does it really? I need to do that one time. $93. Come on, baby. We just had data pass. Obviously didn't do anything for the market. This is all purely come off from all this news and, of course, de-hedging. A little bit of de-hedging here. Apparently we had another tweak because now this shaking and baking again. 5,500 still remains upper target. What is going on? Very difficult to get a handle on anything. With the candles changing so quickly. Not for the faint of heart. Not for the faint of heart here. He still hasn't noticed his mic has chipmunked his voice. Has it really? Is it still doing that? Hold on, let me change it. Y'all are killing me. What about now? Is that good now? I don't know. People trolling. I think he is trolling me. I don't know. 54.76. How about now? How's it look now to you? 54.75. Come on, baby. Give me something accurate. I'm sitting on the 30 minute. Let's go to the 15. 15 minute, we have twice top wicks on the 15 minute. So how far can we go? I do not know. I do not know. How about NASDAQ? NASDAQ is slightly more bullish looking at the moment. Everything is very bullish, obviously. I'm not real... Man, I know there's too much too fast. I know we have two top wicks here in the 15, but man... it is... I guess I should just leave emotion out of it. Gotta love your sense of humor. Nice techno pig. Appreciate you. Always try to have a good sense of humor and everything. That does not work well when you're in an argument with the wife, but yeah, sense of humor is still good. Double top wicks here, 19.036. Still going. Beautiful. Globex was cleaner and actionable. Trump gets out of bed trading in 1 minute. Yeah, tell me about it. Thank you. Double top wicks. What do we got? I'm not trolling. I'm rolling on the floor laughing for 10 minutes straight. Is it really? Something's weird with the audio. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, there's something wrong with the YouTube audio. I don't know. I'll just try to talk a lot lower like this, but... NVIDIA's making a nice move down. I got out too soon. Yeah, like I said, the 0 DTE options are different from the long-dated options. The zeros are showing call selling, put selling, both sides of the tape. So it doesn't look bullish on the 0 from the option chain perspective. So we do have a nice little double top wick here, rolling back over. Just taking a little profit, taking a little profit. 54.66. We've got, let's go take a look at NASDAQ. Get your red hot iron condors here. Tell me about it. Yeah. Massive green candle. NASDAQ to buy back up. Massive green candle. Still wait for this thing to close. Yeah, I'm listening to the audio myself. It is weird. It is showing, but... What you say we strangle this action, bet it moves on whatever he says. Probably, yeah. Double top wick still. Today is for Bookmap ID, so here at 9:30 we'll be switching over. 10:30 we'll switch over to Discord or Bookmap's Discord. I swear Streamlabs is giving me nothing but problems this week. If I remember right, our futures friend, his win rate was 26%. And his win rate was to do long-term swings. Day trades and scalping. Yeah, primarily everything that I saw. Yeah. in what, 4.5 years I've been doing this, by far he's the best trader I've experienced. By far. He's better than me. If I were him, he seriously needs to consider applying for Wall Street jobs. So, I thought it was complete BS until I saw his stats and the stuff that he showed me. It's legit. It's real. Everything he does is real. Yeah, scalp. Just prop firm trading. Prop firm style trading. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, whoa. Red candles, top of the hour. This is crazy stuff, man. This is Wild West. Wild West. You gotta be very careful with this stuff, man. Certainly not conducive to prop firms. This is not even fun right here. This is all over the place. Small position sizing, using stops, and in this type of price action, target profits, which I don't usually use target profits a lot. Profit targets, not target profits, but highly encourage it in this environment. Highly encourage it in this market. All right, I'm going to shut off the YouTube stream and restart it because I've tried everything I know how to do. So.